Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial video from Knowledge is Fun. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to be teaching you how to calculate variance and standard deviation. Okay, now, so the first step we are going to do is solving variance by getting the mean of this set of data. Now, so how do we do that? Now, the set of data here is the scores. Now, so the scores here is the scores here. We are going to find the sum of the scores and then divide it by how many they are. So we have 2, okay, plus 4. And then we're going to find it by, okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 of it. So we have 6 here, and then we have the answer as let's use our calculator here. So we have 42 over 6, okay, and that's going to give us what, 7, okay. So now 7 is our mean. So 7 is our mean. Now, what are we going to do? Now, to find the variance, we are going to subtract each score by the mean that we have obtained here. So we are going to have 2 minus 7, 4 minus 7. So we subtract the scores by the mean. Okay, so I'm going to sum it, and I have here will be minus 5. Okay, beautiful. Now, on the last column, we are going to find the square of each of what we got here, okay? So we are going to have it this way. It says minus 5 square square. Okay, now says this gives 25 and 25. Now, beautiful. This is perfect. So what do you do next? You're going to find the sum of these numbers. Okay, so we are going to use our calculator again here. We say 25, and then we are going to have 70. Okay, so 70 is what we have. So now our variance becomes 70 divided by the number of scores. Okay, so we have 6 scores here, and now we are going to use our calculator again to determine the value. Okay, so we have here 11.67. Okay, I approximated it. It was originally 11.66666. Okay, so I approximated it to be 11.67. So this is a variance score. Now, to find the standard deviation. Now, standard deviation is the square root of the variance. Okay, now let's get to it. So this is our square root, and then we have our variance to be 11.67. Okay, bam. So we are going to use our calculator to determine the standard deviation, I mean the square root of 11.67, and that will be 3. The answer equals to 3.45. It is very simple. Okay, now you can solve yours any way, but trust me, this is the simple or the simplest way to find variance and standard deviation of a group of data or a set of data. Okay, so if you are a new viewer or a new learner in this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, okay, to subscribe to this channel so you can always get to see more videos like this, and turn on the notification bell so you can always be notified in case there are videos like this or more videos from Knowledge is Fun. Do not forget, the most important thing is I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye bye.